It's time to take a look at one of the most fundamental, yet also one of the hardest elements to master: the handstand. We start from a lunge, keeping the body straight with arms by the head. Place the hands far in front, push off with the front leg, and kick the back leg up. The goal is to reach vertical, keep the body tight, and hold a straight line. Eyes look down, while fingers grip the floor, helping us balance. To learn the handstand, you must be able to support your body weight with your arms. Also understand pelvic tilting. It's also useful to learn the headstand and the bridge. In the warm-up, we include exercises for a tight body line. Planks are a good starting point. We also mobilize the shoulder girdle and the thoracic spine. Pay special attention to warming up the wrists. Add backward leg swings to improve the kick-up. In the first phase, kick up into the handstand. We start with the kick-up drill. Hands go on a small block. Legs kick up like in a handstand but lower. Return with control. A good sign of proper execution is a quiet landing back to the lunge. As you progress, keep the legs in the air longer and add scissor switches. Always practice on both legs. Next, repeat the same on flat ground with the same progression: low, higher, switch legs, double switch. Then practice the kick up to handstand with support from a mat on the wall. Kick up with control. Reach far with the hands. Markers on the floor help with correct placement. One for lunge, one for hands. Watch out for these mistakes. Skipping the lunge. Lunging on the toes. Dropping the arms straight down instead of reaching far. Arching the back. Kicking up too hard. In the second phase, holding the handstand. Start by lifting the legs slightly and just hold your body weight. To come down, simply lower the legs. Next, lift the legs higher, shaping a clearer line. Then, straighten the knees until the hips stack over the shoulders. In full extension, hold the tight body line, away from the wall or ladder. Walk the hands closer. Push tall through the shoulders. At the final stage, balance with as little wall support as possible, using small leg pushes. Exit the handstand with a forward roll. Common mistakes here include relaxing the body and breaking the line, arching into a banana shape, overextending the neck, not gripping the floor with the fingers, or turning the hands outward. For safe practice, learn to exit the handstand with a cartwheel. Or, at a more advanced level, a forward roll. This way, if you overbalance, you can always come down safely. Handstand is a foundation skill that later helps with elements like the cartwheel, the back handspring, and many more. Practice safely, and good luck.